First, open Ideogram AI and sign in to your account. To create social media graphics, start by deciding which platform and type of content you are designing for. You might be creating an Instagram post, Facebook graphic, promotional announcement, quote image, product advertisement, or another type of social media visual. Next, decide what message you want the graphic to communicate. Open the image generation area and write a detailed prompt. Start by describing the main subject and then explain the text, colors, background, composition, and visual style. For example, you could ask for a modern social media graphic promoting a new coffee shop, featuring a premium cup of coffee, warm beige and brown colors, clean modern typography, a stylish background. And the headline, New Coffee, New Experience. If your design needs additional text, include the exact wording in your prompt and explain how you want it arranged. Next, choose an aspect ratio that matches your target platform. Depending on the current Ideogram AI interface, you may also be able to select different models, styles, and other generation settings. Once your settings are ready, generate several variations. When the results appear, compare them carefully. Look for a design that is easy to understand quickly, especially when viewed on a mobile screen. Check the text, colors, subject, contrast, and overall composition. If the design feels too crowded, simplify your prompt and ask for a cleaner layout.